How you guys doing today? So today's video is taking the car so done, aka the front bumper. It would have been done by now, but the guy needed the car there so that he can fit and mold everything properly. So that's pretty much gonna be today's video. We might do some stuff later, we don't know yet.
Guys, now that you saw the video or the clip of the car getting dropped off to the body shop, you know the bumper is coming, so I don't want to hear a damn thing. Just please do me a favor. Don't ask me when, don't ask me where, don't ask me how. Just know it's coming. It's gonna be probably the next video. And we're also expecting a snowstorm tomorrow into Tuesday, which is really bad because I'm supposed to pick it up on Tuesday, but we'll see how that goes. It's coming. I'm gonna show you how to do something else. For quite some time I've had these Type S door panels, and they sat in the other basement in the back of my house, and they sat there for quite a while. I'm talking like maybe a year and a half, 2 years before I actually moved them, and it was pretty humid down there and it's kind of gross. So over time the door panels got disgusting. Let me show you what I mean. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an OEM Type S door panel. And when I say they got disgusting, I mean literally just freaking gross. In the off chance that any of you guys are dealing with moldy, nasty door panels or any type of interior anything, I'm gonna show you how to clean it, or how to try to clean it. I'm gonna try my best to clean it. So here are the materials. I went out and I got some Lysol wipes. If you guys remember the OGs from day one, we used a bunch of Awesome in my engine bay. It's a degreaser, but we'll see if that works a little bit. Some shop rags and a brush. Now I got all this stuff from my local dollar store, Family Dollar to be exact, and it was really cheap. So I'm gonna be the guinea pig and see if it works, and then you guys will know. Alright guys, so first up I'm gonna start off with the Lysol wipes and just kind of see what this does. I mean, that's actually working. It's actually working really good. So I'm gonna go over everything with the Lysol wipes, like everything, top to bottom. And then what I'll do is I'll spray it with the degreaser, and then I'll get to work on brushing it down, making sure it's nice and clean, and I get all those stains out, everything just completely gone from it, because it's gonna be time to start working on my interior. Once the car's back from the shop, I really want to get everything buttoned up before I send the car off to paint, and I want the car to come out just immaculate inside and out. So this is just another step in the process. So I'm gonna clean this down with the Lysol wipes first, and then I will give you a good look at it and see where we started off. Alright guys, so that Lysol wipe made one hell of a difference, if you remember. It's still a little dirty, so I'm gonna go in with the degreaser and the brush and really clean it up, and we will get back to you on how that looks. Oh yeah, you can see it's picking the dirt right up. Look at the dirt. This comes right off. Watch this. Still needs a little bit more, but look at that. That is freaking disgusting. So I'm gonna clean this, and I'm gonna clean all 4 of them until they're immaculate. I will be back. Well guys, if you ask me, look at that, that shit is disgusting. But I'd say that's one hell of a job. Look at that. Much better. I need a little bit more on that top part, but look at that. Much better. Now, I don't feel ashamed of running these in my car. Boy Alex is calling me.
Oh, why's your hand all wet?
Because I was playing.
¿Qué onda, papi? ¿Qué tú lo quieres?
Hey, say what up to the vlog.
Bro.
Man, I just want you guys to see this one, because this one is really bad. This is what happens when you let things like this sit out in a humid environment for a long period of time. See that? That shit is gross. Listen, I'm telling you guys, I stand by this stuff. This stuff is great. Now just watch this. I'm gonna spray it on here real nice. Real thick layer. Now watch this brush just go to town. And I'm not just gonna pass this over once and call it a day. No, this one in particular is gonna get a few good cleaning with a few coats of this stuff. Cause this shit is absolutely disgusting. Now just watch this. Look at that. But more importantly, look at that. And that's just the first step of getting it clean. I'm telling you, this awesome stuff is a world of a difference. You guys need to try it when you're cleaning your stuff up. Sheesh. It's good as new. Look at that thing. Yup. Looks brand spanking new. Alright guys, well, now you have it. You see them? You saw them before, now you see them after. These are gonna look real clean in the car, especially with what I'm gonna try and bring to the interior. The vision is much bigger than what you think. I'm really happy with how these door panels came out. I think they look awesome. I think it's gonna look awesome in the car with what I have coming. And yeah, stay tuned, because the next video is the bumper reveal. Yep, I said it, that's right, the bumper reveal. I'm gonna try everything to pick up that car on Tuesday, even though we're hitting the torrential, just astronomical bitch of a storm. It is what it is. I need that car. You guys need the content. I need the content. Let's grow the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and help us, me and Terry, grow the channel. We got a lot of big things coming for you guys. A lot of content coming on the way. And yeah, I think Terry's build is gonna be real clean. My build's gonna be really different. I'm not following trends. I'm not doing what everyone else does to their Type S or to their base or to anything. You know, I don't want to be the same as anybody else. I'm gonna completely up the bar when it comes to these builds. Everything's gonna be different, and a lot of the stuff on my car and on Terry's car are gonna be one-off parts you're not gonna find anywhere else. So that comes from having them done or doing them ourselves. So if you guys want to see some really different content for the TLs and something that completely changed the game, subscribe to the channel, pay attention to the builds, follow us on IG, and let's go. Let's get it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.